So, well, we're getting higher, people. We're climbing higher. But I still don't go too high with my glue. Everyone, cause why? Nearly bashed the camera against the pipe. Give me 6x3 or 6x6 any day. Different people have different tastes, eh? Like, it's effective though. I must say. Oh. I've got something wrong somewhere with my line because I've got it on an angle. Bit of an imperfection there that can go against the wall, and it's covered by the other tile. Bloody light and dark. When they're all the same tile, you can hold a bunch of them and just peel them up onto your wall. This is a bit different. In goes your spacer before you glue, because when that tile hits the glue, it starts going off already, people. So you must wedge it up or put your spacer in, whether it's wedges, crosses, or whatever you use. Get it in there. Don't wait too long, because as soon as that tile hits the wall, the dry ceramic sucks into it and starts drying. So this is a real bathroom, people. It's not a mocked up bathroom in a garage. What you're seeing here is real. Got to cut some. What are we to go? A dark one. A light. Keeping that space between them all the time. Your vertical space. And you're humming. I won't be trying to save these crosses. They're inexpensive, these plastic crosses. When I wipe them all out with a sponge the next day, I'll show you how to do that. They just get swept up, chucked out in the rubbish. I'm meant to be starting another bathroom next Tuesday, but I don't think I'll be out of here till about Wednesday night. So the next bathroom person will just have to wait a couple more days. Because I've got to tile the toilet yet. See how my glue, this is another row and I'm having to push my tile up. That shows you how it's how the glue is drying. So I'll respread that to freshen it up. because I want to cut my cuts, put my cuts in before I go too far. So I'll do a couple of them. Let's put in a dark one. And relax. Freshen up that glue. We're getting there. Good couple hours work. Not. No, I started this at 8. So three and a quarter hours so far. But I haven't finished yet. I reckon there's probably another couple of hours. And plus lunch and that sort of thing. Right, more tiles. I don't know where the owner is, but he should be bloody here. Trying to finish the place off. He's busy packing up and starting to move stuff into a container. I think he's putting the cart before the horse though. He should finish this house and then shift. Or get it super livable. It's not that yet. Still, everyone to their own. I'd do this sort of thing, living it while you're doing it up in my 20s, but I don't know about now. I bought my table in because it saves up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. All right, people, I'll sign off. I'll come back to you once I get up a bit higher. But this is like when you sight along that, it's lovely and straight. My lines aren't going like that. It's nice and straight. It's a nice flat wall. So it's all good. So today's Friday, I'll be back Monday, and oh well, I'll see how I'll finish that. I don't know whether I'll start doing my white tiles. I'll have to see. Okay. Tune into Chriso. Subscribe, everyone. I will teach you how to tile. And we'll see you soon. Ciao.